All right, y'all, so get ready with me and my toddler to go to her little pajama party at school. Yeah, it was so cute. I don't know the last time I've been to a pajama party. I was like, oh, I love the invite. So cute. Yeah, so we brushed her little teeth or whatever. We did our little get ready with me. So cute. Wash her little face. Make her some breakfast. All she wanted was some pancakes. So I was like, all right, that's cool. Nice and easy. Nice, simple, sweet. We love it. To the point. Honey, syrup, all that. Look at the face. Girl. That's all you asked for. Get her a snack. Get her ready. She was going over my dad's house after her pajama party. So I had to pack her little bag for that. Her charger for her iPad and all that. I had my pajamas on. I don't know why she always looking at me with them little big eyes. But yeah, we was on the way to school. And yeah, this was so cute. They had balloons everywhere. Everybody had little slippers, little sleeping bags, little stuffed animals. And yeah, that movie lasted all of like 3 seconds. And then they wanted to beat up freaking teacher with the balloon and do the gummy bear dance. But y'all, it was so cute. Look at her. Girl, I cannot. I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.